Hello everyone, this is Abhishek Kulkarni from iScore IT, roll number 37. Today I'm here for my DA oral examination academic year 2020 and 21. So let's move forward to my questions. So the outcomes of the PPT are: first is the execution of the program provided by my faculty to me. Second is to understand the difference between data profiling and data mining. Third is to understand linear regression analysis using OLS. Fourth is the data ranking concept, which I will explain. So let's move forward. So the first question given to me was create a program that will print out the words C, A, and F. Given statement is COVID-19 coronavirus cases are increasing at faster rate. So now I will execute the program. So let's move to the page. So I'm going to write down the code for that. So here the first line, text equal to input, enter a string, allows the user to use a string, that is to enter a string. Second is the alphabet. Here using this syntax we can put user defined alphabet. Sorry for your mistake. Then we know that we have to split the words according to our condition. So words equal to text dot split. Here the split function allows the user to split the words which he wants to print. Now I want not all the words. I want the words that I want with the which start with the letters provided by my faculty. So for word in words, this is a for loop which will be used for that. Then if word 0 equal to alpha, print word. Okay, so I will run it. Let's see what we get. So as you can see, it's asking for me to enter a string. So I will put it. COVID-19 corona cases are increasing at faster rate. So now I have written the statement which was provided to me. Now I will write the alphabet. C. You can see that the COVID corona cases. These are the three words which are starting with letter C. Okay. Next is again I will print. I will run it, and again I will put it the same. I will just select all and then copy paste it after for the next execution. So now the letter I will put is F. I got it faster. Okay. So again I will put for A. So now I will do for it A. are and at. So this was the execution of my first question. Now let's again move to my PPT and then move forward for the second question. So my second question was to tell the difference between the data profiling and data mining. So I will go point wise. So what is data mining? Data mining is nothing but obtaining a small data, that is it is taking out the small useful data from a large number of raw data that is not useful. But the problem is that the data we get, it is in an unstructured form. So to put it in a structured form, we have to convert it. So I have added the point converting is necessary. Fourth is it is useful in research, generating and mathematics. The data mining is mostly used in mathematics and research and data analytics. Data analytics is the main root cause of data mining. Second is data profiling. So data profiling is same as data mining, but only the problem here is in data mining we obtain the small data. In data profiling we examine the data and collect it. So but the collection what we do is statistical, that is we either we can count it, we can count the sum, we can count the number of data, we can modify it, and anything else we can do with the in data profiling. So third is its use. Its use is identify the use and data quality of huge data. So it allows us to improve the quality of the huge data. That is, suppose if we have 100 number of data, we can identify the useful data and non-useful data, and we can modify according to that. So this is the use of data profiling. So I will move for my further question. So my third question was, explain and perform linear regression analysis with ordinary least square using states model. So first of all, let us know what is states model in Python. In Python, states model refers to exploring data, estimating statistical models and statistical models testing. So it allows us to explore, estimate and test statistical models. So what is second? It is a linear regression. So what is linear regression? It is just a process that makes the relationship between two variables. Not only two variables, the two variables must be one dependent variable and one an independent variable. So it makes a relationship between one dependent and one non-dependent, or a number of dependents and one undependent. So this is the linear regression. So what is OLS? OLS is nothing but estimating the unknown errors between the two responses. That is, it is used for reducing the, it is used for minimizing, that is to reduce the number of errors that we observe, that we get in the relation between the one dependent and one non-dependent variable. So we get to know that about this. So this is the third question. And again, for this question, I have written a program. So I will execute it in front of you. I've already written it here. As you can see all here, this is the program. I will now run it. I will just run it out. It's just taking a bit time. So as you can see, the program is being executed correctly. There is no any error. See, OLS regression results. That is, it has reduced all the minimized errors between the two responses, that is the observed response and the predefined responses. As you can see all. So this was my third question. So I will again further move to my next question. So now I have told you how it works. Means what are the just what are just the definitions of the states model or OLS and linear regression. Now I will tell you what is the process for it. The process for it is, first is get data. As you can see, I have already written that get data is nothing but whatever the data we have, that is get data. Then second, develop a program that works on it. So we create a work or a task such that it works on that data and it makes the predictions. That is the third point. It makes the predictions that what are the errors and what are the errors that to be minimized according to the responses. Now I will try to explain you using an example. So here I've written just an example that y is equal to b1. Sorry, I didn't got that beta's letter. So y equal to, let's consider b as beta. So y equal to beta 1 plus beta 2 x1 plus n. So here y is an independent variable and x is a dependent variable. Sorry, by mistake, y is a dependent variable because it depends on the value of x1. So y is dependent variable, x1 is a non-dependent variable. But here b1, b2 and n are constants, and the value of that constant decides the value of the y. For example, y is the let us consider a simple example. Y is an for example income, and x1 is the education. So more is the education, more is the income we get. So indirectly, the value of y depends on x1. But to reduce the minimization error, b1, b2 and n are to be chosen in such a manner that the errors found would be less as compared to predictions. So this was my third question. I tried to explain you. So now the fourth question, that is the last question of my oral examination, that is to choose a concept and explain it. So I have chosen the topic data wrangling. So I will try to explain it now. Data wrangling, and it's just a small definition, nothing else. In simple words, it's cleaning, arranging and enriching data for decision making. So nothing. So consider we have a data, a huge number of data. So we have to clean it. That is the non-useful data. We have to clean it, arrange it. That is it is not in a structured format. So we have to arrange it as structured format, and enriching, that is modify. That is we can modify the before useful data, means the useful data which we have used before, we can use it in the present data. So that can make the better decision making for the professionalism. So second is bringing data in coherent form. As I've told that we can enrich the data, that is modify, that is the first useful data and the present useful data, we can bring it together to make it more better to understand. So what is third step for the beginning of data mining and is also dependent. Now data wrangling is nothing but it is a step root cause for data mining. And what is data mining? As I've told you, it is used to remove useful data from large number of raw data. So it is just a small step for the beginning of it, and it is also dependent. That is they both are dependent on each other. Both can't be done without using each other. That is data wrangling can't be done using data mining, and data mining can't be done using data wrangling. So these are the 3 points of data wrangling. Third is example of data wrangling tools, that are Excel sheets, open files, and Python. Python is the main tool in which we use data wrangling, because we have to sort out the data, we have to clean the data, and we have to again modify the data according to that. So for that we have to download a special package for that data wrangling. So what are the goals of data wrangling? That is what is the main aim of the data wrangling? Provide precise and structured data. As I've told, cleaning, arranging and enriching data. So provide precise means accurate, and a structured means in a format data. Then so that it can be helpful for the seniors of the industries. Second is reduce time. Yes, it reduces the time, because consider we have 100 number of data, and it's not precise, accurate, and not in structured format. So it's very it gets complex for us. It becomes a complex data, and it increases the timing so we can't find the data in our given time. So data wrangling allows us to reduce the time just by providing us the structured data and accurate data and the useful data. Main is the useful data. So third is concentration on data analysis. The data analytics scientists they can concentrate on data analysis rather than giving concentration on data, rather than giving concentration on data that is not in structured or in nothing format. So fourth is the develop decision making. Yes, as I've told in the first point, provide precise and structured data. So due to that, it helps to develop the decision making. So we can just be confirm. We can be firm on a particular decision. Yes, that we can make this data to analyze. So this was my fourth concept. So thank you all. So this was my, hope you all like it all. Whatever I understood, I tried to explain in it. Thank you.